Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been working on your Shopify store and you're finally ready to go live, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of removing the password from your Shopify store so that anyone can visit your site without being blocked by that password screen. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand menu. That's where all your main settings are. From there, click on Online Store. This will open up a section that controls how your store appears to the public. Now, depending on your setup, you might see a message that says, pick a plan. Here's something important. You can't completely remove the password page unless your store is on a paid Shopify plan. So if you're still in your free trial or haven't chosen a plan yet, go ahead and select one first. Once you're on a paid plan, come back to that online store section. Now you should see the option that says Preferences. Click that, then scroll down until you find the password protection area. You'll see a checkbox that says Restrict access to visitors with a password. Simply uncheck that box, then hit Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now live and publicly accessible. Anyone who visits your store link will be able to browse your products, view your collections, and shop without entering a password. Before you take this step though, make sure everything else in your store is ready. Double check your product listings, payment settings, and shipping details. Once you remove that password, your store is officially open to the world, so you want everything looking and functioning perfectly. Removing the password is a small step, but it's a huge milestone. It marks the moment your business truly goes live. And there you have it, a simple, complete guide on how to remove the password from your Shopify store in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick Shopify and e-commerce tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store launch. Go show the world what you've built.